Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this video, what we'll be talking about, we are going to discuss about the standard deviation and the variance in data science. So as we are looking on our table here, we can see that we are having a standard deviation, STD here. So the standard deviation, what it does, it describes how spread out the observations are. In mathematics function, we have difficulties in predicting precisely the values. So if the observations are spread out, then the standard deviation is a measure of uncertainty. For example, in this case, a lower standard deviation, as you can see, we have 1,000 observations or 1,000 counts, and our mean is a 66 score, as you can see here. Now, the standard deviation is lower, as you can see. So as you can see that our average, our standard deviation is 15. It means in mathematics score here, most of the students or most of the students score are closer to the mean. Same applies here. We are having a lower standard deviation as well as here. And what it means that most of the numbers are close to the mean, and this is our mean. So this means that most of our students has passed the exam, as you can see. If you are having a high standard deviation, what it means now, it means that the values are spread out at a wider range, and it is difficult to come up with a precise and accurate data analysis. And it means also most of the values are not even closer with the mean. If you want to use the Python function only to locate the standard deviation for the whole data frame, what you can do, if you want to check for the whole data frame, let us say standard deviation is equals to, let us say standard deviation is equals to, then you call our numpy dot std function, then we pass our data frame here, then we print std. We print our standard deviation. Let us run our code. Okay, so if we run this code, we get a standard deviation like this. As you can see, for the whole data frame, we get the standard deviation. Okay, then